Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Solana from Gemini to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to keep your assets secure, and moving them to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is a smart move. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need a verified Gemini account, your Ledger Nano X device with the Solana app installed, and a bit of patience. Oh, and remember, crypto transactions can involve fees, so keep an eye on those. Step 1. Unlock your Ledger Nano X and open the Solana app. This will display your Solana wallet address. Copy that down carefully, as it's unique and case-sensitive. Step 2. Log into your Gemini account on their website or app. Head over to the Withdraw or Transfer section and select Solana from the list of cryptocurrencies. Step 3. Enter the Solana address you copied from your ledger into the withdrawal form on Gemini. Double-check it to prevent any errors. Nobody wants to send coins to the wrong place. Step 4. Specify the amount of Solana you want to send. Gemini might show you the network fee, so review that before proceeding. Once you're happy, hit the Confirm button. Step 5. You'll get a confirmation prompt on Gemini. Approve it, and the transaction will be sent to the Solana blockchain. This might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. After that, head back to your Ledger Nano X to verify the incoming transaction. Once it shows up, you're all good. Pro tip: always use two-factor authentication and keep your devices secure to protect your crypto. There you have it. That's how you safely transfer Solana from Gemini to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.